Hello, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in our today's video, we'll be working on this beautiful 2026 Cadillac CT5. So we'll be protecting the entire vehicle with the paint protection. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take apart this door handle, the trims, and the mirrors. So I already take apart the the screws that holds the door panel. So what I did is just gonna pull this apart and unplug the wires and the door handle cable. So for the door handle, there's a wire that connected to the door handle. So as I've seen earlier, I already loosened the screw on the side of the door handle. So I already loosened it up and then unplug the wires. And then the door handle just simply coming right off. Alright, so after this, I'm gonna take off the mirror. So for the mirror, there are three 10mm nuts that holds the mirror. Right, so handle this out. So set that aside. And then put this cover back on. Yeah, just sticky some stuff or whatever that is. All right. Just take off this cover. So behind this cover there are three nuts that holds the mirror. So just gonna unplug the wire that connect to the mirror. Alright, unplug this wire, then grab our 10mm socket and then screws that nuts in there. Alright, so set the nuts aside. What I always like to do, I just gonna put the nut inside this door panel pocket, so I won't lose them. Or you can put it back to the mirror itself, so you won't lose it. Right after that, set this aside, put it there, and then put the panel back together, so the panel won't be on the way. Right. Just clip it back on. Let's roll down the window first before this. Now the window is down, let's clip back the panel. Alright, so now it's on there. So let's grab our 20 Torx screw. These are 20mm Torx screw that holds just window trim. Alright, put that inside the panel as well, and then the trim will just lift up. Then when you lift it halfway, you're just gonna slide it to the side. Slide it to the side. Okay, we're good to install.